Ever feel like you're standing at a digital crossroads, holding two keys that promise to unlock your business's full potential, but you're just not sure which one fits the lock? You're staring at Zoho and HubSpot, right? Two titans of the CRM and business software world, both claiming to be the answer to your growth woes. But which one is actually better? That's the million-dollar question, isn't it? It's a question that's probably kept you up at night, scrolling through endless comparison articles and watching countless reviews. You're not alone. We've all been there, trying to navigate the labyrinth of features, pricing, and integrations, all while trying to make a decision that could significantly impact your business's trajectory. Let's be honest, choosing between Zoho and HubSpot isn't like picking between a burger and a pizza. It's more like deciding on the foundation of your business's digital infrastructure. It's about choosing a platform that aligns with your specific needs, your budget, and your long-term vision. So, let's cut through the noise and get down to brass tacks. We're going to dissect Zoho and HubSpot, comparing them feature by feature, price by price, and use case by use case. We'll look at the strengths and weaknesses of each platform, and by the end of this video, you'll have a clear understanding of which one is the right fit for your business. First, let's talk about the sheer scope of each platform. Zoho is a sprawling ecosystem of over 45 applications, covering everything from CRM and marketing automation to finance and project management. It's a bit like a Swiss Army knife. It can handle almost anything you throw at it. HubSpot, on the other hand, is known for its focused approach, primarily centered around its CRM and marketing, sales, and service hubs. It's more like a specialized toolset designed to excel in specific areas. This difference in scope is crucial. If you're a small business looking for an all-in-one solution that can handle multiple aspects of your operations, Zoho might be more appealing. You can manage your sales, marketing, accounting, and even your HR all within the same platform. However, if you're a mid-sized to enterprise-level business that requires deep functionality in specific areas like marketing automation or sales management, HubSpot's focused approach might be a better fit. Let's dive into CRM, the heart of both platforms. Zoho CRM is highly customizable and offers a wide range of features, including lead management, sales automation, and reporting. It's known for its flexibility and affordability, making it a popular choice for businesses on a budget. HubSpot CRM, while also powerful, is often praised for its user-friendly interface and seamless integration with its other hubs. It's designed to be intuitive and easy to use, even for those with limited technical expertise. When it comes to marketing automation, HubSpot is often considered the industry leader. Its Marketing Hub offers a robust set of tools for email marketing, social media management, SEO, and content creation. It's designed to help you attract, engage, and delight your customers at every stage of the buyer's journey. Zoho Marketing Automation, while also capable, is often seen as more complex and requires a steeper learning curve. However, it does offer more advanced customization options, which can be beneficial for businesses with specific marketing needs. Now, let's talk about sales. HubSpot Sales Hub is designed to streamline your sales process and empower your sales team. It offers features like deal tracking, sales automation, and sales analytics. It's known for its ease of use and its ability to provide valuable insights into your sales performance. Zoho Sales IQ, while also offering sales automation and analytics, is often seen as more focused on live chat and customer engagement. Customer service is another critical area. HubSpot's Service Hub provides a comprehensive set of tools for managing customer support, including ticketing, knowledge base, and live chat. It's designed to help you provide a seamless customer experience and build customer loyalty. Zoho Desk, while also offering ticketing and knowledge base features, is often seen as more affordable and customizable. Now let's address the elephant in the room: pricing. Zoho is known for its affordability, offering a range of plans to suit different budgets. Its pricing structure is often more transparent and predictable, making it easier for businesses to plan their expenses. HubSpot, on the other hand, is generally more expensive, particularly for its higher-tier plans. However, it does offer a free CRM and a range of free tools, which can be a good starting point for small businesses. But pricing isn't just about the upfront cost. It's also about the value you receive for your investment. HubSpot's higher price tag often reflects its more advanced features, its user-friendly interface, and its comprehensive support. For many businesses, the extra cost is justified by the increased efficiency and productivity they gain. Integration is another crucial factor to consider. Both Zoho and HubSpot offer a wide range of integrations with third-party applications. Zoho, with its vast ecosystem of apps, offers seamless integration between its own products. HubSpot, while also offering a wide range of integrations, is particularly strong in integrating with popular marketing and sales tools. Let's talk about ease of use. HubSpot is often praised for its intuitive interface and its user-friendly design. It's designed to be easy to learn and use, even for those with limited technical expertise. Zoho, while also offering a user-friendly interface, can be more complex due to its vast range of features and customization options. Support is another critical aspect. HubSpot is known for its excellent customer support, offering a range of resources, including live chat, email support, and a comprehensive knowledge base. Zoho also offers customer support, but its response times and level of support can vary depending on the plan you choose. Now, let's consider some specific use cases. If you're a small business owner looking for an affordable and comprehensive solution, Zoho might be the better choice. Its wide range of applications and its affordable pricing make it a great option for businesses on a budget. If you're a mid-sized to enterprise-level business that requires deep functionality in specific areas like marketing automation or sales management, HubSpot might be a better fit. Its focused approach and its advanced features make it a powerful tool for businesses looking to scale. If you're a startup looking to grow quickly, HubSpot's user-friendly interface and its comprehensive marketing and sales tools can be a valuable asset. If you're a nonprofit organization looking for an affordable CRM solution, Zoho's flexible pricing and its range of features can be a good fit. Ultimately, the best choice depends on your specific needs and priorities. There's no one-size-fits-all answer. It's about finding the platform that aligns with your business goals and helps you achieve your desired outcomes. Consider these questions. What are your primary business needs? What is your budget? How important is ease of use? What level of customer support do you require? What integrations do you need? With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.